Are you staring at your phone right now because summer feels completely boring? You're definitely not alone in feeling this way. Picture this. It's week 3 of summer break and you've already binged every show on Netflix. You've scrolled through social media 40 times today. Your friends are all busy or out of town, and you're sitting there thinking summer was supposed to be amazing, but instead you feel restless and frustrated. Here's the thing though. I discovered a simple system that completely transformed my summers. And it takes less than 10 minutes to set up. I call it the Summer Adventure Generator, and it's about to change everything for you. Let me walk you through the 5 steps that make this work. Step 1. Create your boredom emergency kit. Write down 20 activities that cost less than $5. Think things like visiting a new park, trying a free workout video, or teaching yourself origami from YouTube. The reason this works is because when boredom hits, your brain goes blank. Having a pre-made list removes decision fatigue. The benefit is you'll never waste another hour scrolling mindlessly. Step 2. Set up weekly mini challenges. Every Sunday, pick one new skill to learn for just 15 minutes each day. Maybe it's learning 5 words in Spanish or practicing a magic trick. The psychology here is that novelty creates dopamine, which literally makes you feel more excited and engaged. You'll start looking forward to your daily learning sessions. Step 3. Plan one social adventure per week. Text 3 friends with a specific plan, not just, "Hey, what's up?" Say something like, "Let's have a picnic at the lake this Wednesday at 2. Research shows that anticipating fun activities boosts happiness just as much as doing them. Plus, you'll strengthen your friendships and create actual memories. Step 4. Start a summer project that you can share online. Maybe you document trying every ice cream flavor in your town, or you learn to skateboard, or you grow herbs on your windowsill. The key is choosing something visual that you can post about. This works because progress feels rewarding and sharing keeps you accountable. People will start asking about your updates, which feels amazing. Step 5. Create a boredom buddy system. Find one friend who also wants a better summer and check in with each other twice a week. Share what adventures you tried and what's next on your list. Accountability partners increase your success rate by over 60%, according to behavioral studies. You'll both end up having way more fun. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work just to not be bored. I was skeptical too when my cousin first suggested something like this. But here's what happened. After just 2 weeks of following this system, I had tried stand-up paddleboarding, learned to make friendship bracelets, discovered an amazing hiking trail, and started a small herb garden. People began asking me what I was up to because I seemed so much more energetic and happy. So here's your challenge. Pick just one of these 5 steps and try it for the next 7 days. Start small, but start today. Because the difference between a boring summer and an unforgettable one isn't luck or money. It's having a simple system that turns ordinary days into little adventures. Remember, you don't need perfect weather or lots of cash or special talents to have an amazing summer. You just need to be intentional about creating your own fun. Small actions today create the memories you'll smile about years from now.